Sayan. Basog! Mag-box ka. Ako, asan yung box? Mamaya lalabas yan. Ito yun. Mami, wait lang mo lang. Ayan yung damit. Kung sa'yo yung box. Pas wait lang. Ako maglaro. Kaya ako maglaro. Ako na. Si Kaisen. Pag nakita mo si Sayan, mag-box ka immediately. Si Lola yan! Si Lola! Ano si Lola? Si Lolo? Sino mo ano sila?
What the? What in the world are you doing out here?
Where's Steve? I was Steve.
Hun.
Monsters, you say?
Monsters?
I'm sure it's just your imagination.
I'm sure it's just your imagination.
Hindi yung imagination!
Here, why don't you all help me find the
You all
SOS light? Every theme park has one.
SOS light. Every theme park has one.
Guys, you need to be fast. Oh no, it's red. It's red, the scientist.
This is going to be fun. I'll go get the others.
Go in. Guys, huwag ka muna mag-box.
Ba't na ganyan ka nakakit?
Kasi-
Kasi hindi ka makakakilig sa maayos.
Pag nakita mo na si Sayan, hindi pwede ka gumalaw sa box. Pa ako dito eh. Dapat kumuha ka ng SOS lights eh. Stop ayaw mami. Pakadat sa.
Stop ka. Umandar ka na, nakabox ka naman.
Kasi hindi pa lalabas si Sayan. Ha? Hindi pa lalabas si Sayan. Wala ayaw buka.
Sige na, magano ka lang. Pumasok ka na dyan. Hindi ka makikita niya,
Ay,
napakabagal.
hindi naman sige. Namatay. Kasi don't worry about green. Green is blind. Okay. You just need to be careful. Tingnan mo si Green. If Green walks to yours way, you need to go to the other place. If Green
Kasi
follows
nakabox
you.
ka kagad, di ka makakakilig sa maayos.
Kasi may monster eh. Can I help you? Yeah. Hindi pa magbabox.